In last session we designed timer circuit using NE556 IC. Now I have NE555. It is 8-pin IC. In last session we used 14-pin IC, that is 2-channel twin timer. NE555 is single timer. We will use the same configuration for NE555. In last video I explained black numbers for NE556 and red numbers for NE555. Let's change connections and we will see, is this IC working normally in replacement or no. We have minimum frequency 2.1 kHz, 2100 Hz with 57% duty cycle, and maximum 3 kHz with 60% duty cycle. Let's change it. We will not change the component values, just we will replace the IC. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe it. If you want to watch my videos in future, press bell icon button, notification for all. You will be notified my future uploads. Here pin number 14 is VCC. In this IC pin number 8. We will use these red numbers. Pin 4 reset. And here pin 4 was reset. So we will connect pin 4 to reset. In this IC pin 7 was ground. In this IC pin 1 ground. We will make jumper between 2 and 6. The same here, 2 and 6. In 555, pin 6 is threshold and pin 2 is trigger. And in 556, pin 2 is threshold, pin 6 is trigger. So the same, 2 and 6. Five, 6. We will connect capacitor 10 nanofarad at pin number 6 and ground, or 6 and ground, or 2 and ground, because these are jumpered together. We will connect RA resistor, that is between positive supply and discharge pin. That is this resistor, 10 kilo ohm resistor. Here discharge pin is pin number 7. Positive and pin number 7. We will connect the second resistor, 20k resistor, between 7 and 6 with this potentiometer. This potentiometer at pin number 2. From pin number 7 to potentiometer we have this 10k resistor and then 10k resistor, 20k resistors in series. And we want to connect this capacitor at pin number 5, which was connected at pin number 3. That is control pin. Capacitor second side will be grounded. We connected 10 nanofarad capacitor at pin number 5. Capacitor second side grounded. Pin number 1 ground pin. Pin number 6 and 2 are connected together. Yes, 6 and 2 are connected together. At pin number 2 we have RB. Second side of RB is connected to pin number 7. This is potentiometer and 20k resistor to pin number 7, pin number 4 and 8 with power supply. Now we need pull up resistor as a load resistor between pin number 3, that is output pin, and positive supply. This resistor's second side will be connected to positive line, and we will take output from pin number 3. We shifted all components connected on this NE556 to this IC. Let's connect power. Fantastic. 3 kHz 60% duty cycle with full clockwise rotation, and counterclockwise 2.1 kHz 57% duty cycle. Here I used NE555 and I used these red numbers. Pin number 5, 1, 2, 6, 7, 4, 8 and 3. When I was using NE556, pin 5 was output, now pin 3 is output. 14 was VCC, now pin 8 VCC. Pin 4 reset is same. Discharge pin in 556 was pin number 1, but now pin number 7. We connected resistor between this. We can confirm duty cycle using this formula: 1 minus RB divided by RA plus 2 RB. If we have a circuit that is using NE556 and we cannot find 556, we can use NE555 IC. If both channels of NE556 are utilized, then we can combine two ICs having number NE555 that will replace this IC. If we have any circuit that is using 555 and we don't have NE555, at that time NE556 is available, we can utilize one channel of the IC. If you think this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.